Welcome back. In this video, we're diving into the basics of general contract law and how it applies to insurance. Understanding these principles is crucial for passing your insurance pre-license exam and your future as an insurance professional. Let's start with the basics. Contracts are legally binding agreements between two or more parties. In insurance, the two main parties are the insurer and the insured. These agreements are based on trust, fairness, and legal enforceability. To be valid, a contract must have four essential elements: offer and acceptance, consideration, legal purpose, competent parties. The first element is offer and acceptance. In the context of insurance, the offer typically comes from the applicant when they submit an application. The insurer then decides to either accept or reject that offer. Here's a key point. If the applicant submits an application without the premium, it's considered an invitation rather than a formal offer. The contract only becomes valid once the premium is paid and the insurer accepts the offer. Exam tip: if the insurer makes a counter offer, the original offer is void. The contract is not valid unless the applicant accepts the counter offer. Next up is consideration. This refers to the value exchanged between the parties. For the insured, consideration is the premium they pay and the information they provide on the application. For the insurer, it's the promise to pay valid claims during the policy period. Think of consideration as the glue that holds the contract together. Without it, the contract is not enforceable. The third element is legal purpose. For a contract to be valid, its purpose must align with public policy and the law. Insurance contracts meet this requirement because they provide financial protection and promote public welfare. However, any contract with illegal objectives, such as those linked to fraud or organized crime, is invalid and unenforceable. Finally, competent parties. Both the insured and the insurer must have the legal capacity to enter into a contract. For insurers, this means being licensed and authorized. For applicants, it means being of legal age, mentally competent, and not under undue influence. Remember, minors and individuals deemed mentally incompetent typically cannot enter into binding contracts. Let's recap. Offer and acceptance. Both parties must agree to the terms. Consideration. Both sides must exchange something of value. Legal purpose. The contract must serve a lawful objective. Competent parties. Both parties must have the legal capacity to contract. These four elements form the foundation of every insurance contract. Mastering them will not only help you pass your exam, but also set you up for success in your career. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.